Alright, so we went to the extra practice pages in the front of our notes. And we're going to look at this a different way. You can know about the base, and you can follow those base area formulas, and that's okay. But a lot of people were struggling with that, so we're going to try it with the other set of formulas. So, look at your formula chart. And example A. What shape is this for example A? It's a cylinder. Good. So, on last week's quiz, a lot of people got confused by the formulas here. But we're going to look at the cylinder column here, and we want, in this case, it's asking us for volume and surface area, so we'll have to pick both. So for volume equals base area times height. That's one formula you could choose. Or pi r squared times height. That's another formula. You do not do both. I saw a lot of that, and people were giving one answer on this side, another answer on this side. This is an either or. You can choose to use this method, or you could choose to use this method, but you have to pick one. Okay, for today, we are going to be picking the one with the radius. Okay, we're going to be picking the one that is a little less confusing for some people. So we're going to use this one for volume. What formula should I use for surface area? Yeah. Okay. The one with pi. For the cone, when you have a cone, go back to using this one. Okay, today I want you to only try the formulas where it has the pi and the r and everything right in it already. And then for your volume, you would use the one that says pi times r squared times height divided by 3. That's what our focus is going to be. So look at letter A with me. To find the volume, look at your chart. The volume is going to be pi times what? Give me the volume of the cylinder.
Volume of cylinder. Pi r squared height.
Okay, good. So let's look at this one right here. Look at this one right here. What's that radius?
That's 11.
Good. 11. What is the height? The height is not from top to bottom. The height is from base to base. What's the height?
It's
15. Good.
Yeah.
Okay, so now if you choose to use this formula, you're going to hopefully find it easier. It's pi times the radius is 11, square it, and the height is 15. Okay, now the directions don't tell me to use 3.14. That means I'm allowed to just use the pi button. What do the directions tell me, though? The nearest tenth. Good, so we're going to be picky about that. Okay, so in your calculator, please, do PEMDAS. Do the exponents first, meaning do 11 squared first. 11
times 15.
Squared first, and then times 15, right?
18. 1, 5.
Okay. Now the directions didn't say to leave in terms of pi. It said to go to the nearest tenth. So now I'm going to go ahead and say times pi, and I get this. 0.99. Good. It says the nearest tenth. The nearest tenth is right here. That's a 9. But I look at the next digit over, that 9 makes it go up. So instead of a 9, it turns into a 10, so it moves up. So the answer is 5702.0. Now, if you don't put the point 0, surface area. All right, look at your formula chart. Surface area for cylinders. Pick the one that uses pi and radius squared. Just use that one.
Pi and radius.
So what formula do we have?
Wait, sometimes I don't get the chart little thing.
Okay, so look, we're looking at cylinders, right?
Yeah.
The question now is surface area. This chart, this formula is one way to do it. This is a whole nother way. Let's try it this way. So write this down on your paper. 2 pi r squared plus what?
2 pi r h.
Yes. Okay, what I said earlier was if you are getting it right the other way, that's fine. But a lot of people were not getting it right. So we're going to try this other way instead. On a test or quiz, you can have your pick. This way, there's no figuring anything out, though. You already know what the radius is, and you already know what the height is. It's just plugging in. So it's 2 times the pi times radius squared is 11 squared plus plus 2 times pi times radius 11 times height what? 15. Good. Okay, if you do it with this formula, it's as easy as yesterday because all you're doing is plugging things in. All right, PEMDAS though, it's always going to give you a better answer if you put pi at the end. So let's just do 11 squared times 2. Tell me what that will be. Just do the numbers. Ignore the pi to the end. Thank you. 242 pi. For this one, do just the numbers. 2 times 11 times 15. 330. Thank you. And that's with pi. That needs to be away. I hope it's in someone's pocket that it should be out on your desk. That makes 572 pi. 572 pi. Now, go back to the directions. It said nearest tenth, so we're not done yet. 572 times the pi button. Actually, that's going to be rounded. So what does that one come to?
1797.0.
.0. The .99 rounds up. Okay, good. Feet squared. I got the squared right this time. All right. No, but it shows the person that you really technically did bounce in your spin. All right, next. Next is letter B. You should have it copied down already. Okay, we're going to choose the right formulas. And the right formula comes from your chart. And today we're trying the ones that just use pi and r squared. And remember, you're not trying both. These are choices that you have. You can choose this way or you can choose this way. Today we're focusing on this way. So it's a cone, and we want the volume first. So choose the volume formula and help me write it down. What would I use? Volume equals what?
Volume equals base times height over 3.
Well, we're not using that one today. You might want to use that one today. We're focusing on the one where all you have to do is plug in. Okay, what would the surface area formula be? For a cone.
Pi r squared plus pi r lateral area.
Good. Pi r l. All right, here's the thing. You can use the other formula, but today I want to see if this one's easier for you because on Friday I want to see that you guys understood this. So, no. You still have options, but I want you to have a way that gets it right every time. Okay? Yes, the formula sheet. Okay, now here we're going to need radius. What's the radius?
The radius is 5.
Good. We're going to need height. What's the height?
Unknown.
Unknown. Good, we're going to have to find that. We're going to need L over here. What's the L?
Alex?
13.4. Good. You guys, you need to remember that difference. The L is the slant height on the slant. The height goes up the inside, and we don't know it yet. We're going to have to find it. When you don't know, use Pythagorean theorem. That's right.
Wait, so it's 10 the radius or the whole thing?
10 is the diameter, 5 is the radius. This is height. Before we go on, let's find the height. In this right triangle right here, what is considered to be the hypotenuse? Good. So it's going to be 13.4 squared equals the height squared plus 5 squared. Do it your own way, whatever way you've learned about how to do that Pythagorean theorem. I like to do it all in one shot in the calculator. And tell me what h would be. Okay, good. I'm going to when we're trying to get exact answers, since this one says to the nearest hundredth, can you give me the height to the nearest hundredth? or 3? Okay, so now we have all the information we need. 12.43. Now, if you do it this way, it's just a matter of plugging in and doing your PEMDAS. So pi times radius 5, that has to be squared, times height, which is 12.43. And don't forget to divide it by 3. I did use right height, but I'd hate for you to do all that work right and then still get the answer wrong just because you forgot to divide by 3. So, let's do this in the calculator. Do 5 squared times pi times 12.43. Divide it all by 3. 325.4, I heard.
Oh yeah.
0.42. Pythagorean theorem.
I know.
I'll come over and write that down. I'll come over and show you. Just copy down for now. Because I'm going to get in one go. Alrighty. Hey. That wasn't free time. Alright, I heard one answer. I want everyone else to get a chance to see if they figured it out. Okay, so 5 squared times pi times 12.43 divided by 3 to the nearest 100. What do we get?
325.42.
B to the third. Good. Okay, surface area. What do I plug in for R? Shh. Just one last one. 5 squared. What do I plug in for R here? 5. What do I plug in for L? Yep, because that was given to us. Even though it's not to the nearest 100th, it was given to us that way. So all this is PEMDAS. Listen to me. You are going to get the best answer if you wait till the end to multiply by pi. If you round here, your answer could be slightly off. So 25 times pi is my first part. What is this if you just do 5 times 13.4? Just multiply the numbers. Good, 67 pi. So you got 25 pi and you got 67 pi. Those are like terms, so turn it all into 92 pi.
92.
Now, round your answer to the nearest 100. Go. No, not in this formula, because we're using this one right here. All right, nearest 100th. What do we get?
Hold on.
289.0.
No, 0.03.
Oh, okay.